How to get a business loan for your auto service center. Auto service centers rely on cash flow to buy parts, pay mechanics, and handle equipment upgrades. Delays in customer payments or insurance claims can put pressure on your business. We act as independent brokers connecting auto service centers with fast, flexible funding. We're not part of David Allen Capital, but we partner with them because their lender network delivers approvals and deposits much faster than banks. DAC often approves shops on the same day, with funds available in 24 to 48 hours. That means you can order parts, hire staff, or expand your services right when you need to. They also back every deal with a $500 meet or beat guarantee. If another lender beats their offer, they'll match it or pay you $500. If your shop has been open at least 6 months, with steady revenue and proper bank statements, you may qualify, even if your credit score is just average. So if you're ready to grow your auto shop and keep repairs moving without financial stress, click on the link below and watch the founder's video and apply today to see if you can get funded in 1 to 2 business days. Best of luck!